If you want to use Pro mode on Samsung Galaxy A37, then first of all, we need to of course go to the camera, and then here we need to tap on More in order to find the Pro mode in this place. Now once you go to the Pro mode, of course you have access to these additional parameters, and if you are not sure what they do, then let me try to quickly explain. So first on the left side we have ISO, which controls how sensitive the sensor is to light. A low ISO keeps your photo clear in bright light, and a higher ISO helps you with the low light conditions, but usually if you have too high ISO, then you can add grain or noise to your photos. We can move to the left and to the right in order to adjust the ISO, and if you tap on the manual text over here on this manual button, then you switch to automatic. Then we have S, which is the shutter speed, and it decides how long the camera sensor is open to capture light. Slow shutter speeds let in more light, which is good for night shots, for example, but it can blur motion. And fast speeds freeze action. Here, of course, we also move left to the right, and you can tap on manual, just like before, to switch it back to automatic. Then we have this plus and minus, which is the exposure, or EV. This slider lets you adjust the overall brightness of your image, and it's just a quick way to make your photos lighter or darker. Here, of course, we can move left and right, but this is the only parameter that is not automatic, so you can only manually adjust it, and you can reset to 0 by using this circle with an arrow. Then we have AF, which is autofocus, or just focus setting in general, and of course it allows you to set exactly what should be sharp in your photo. So if you move to the left side, we focus on those things that are pretty much right in front of the camera, and then if you move to the right side, then we focus on more things and include background as well. And of course we can manually adjust the focus, and if you tap on MF over here, then you switch to automatic focus. And there is also WB, which is white balance, and it adjusts the color temperature, so whites look white and colors look natural. If we move to the left, then we have cooler colors, or we have this bluish filter. And if we move to the right side, then we have this orange-ish filter, which makes colors warmer. And of course, we can tap on manual to set it to automatic. So that is pretty much it. Now, you can also, of course, remind yourself what these parameters do by tapping on the eye icon that we have on the left side. So once you choose any of these parameters, you can tap on I in order to get a short information about this parameter so you can better understand it, how it works, if in case you forget it. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.